Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a like up. Amy Duggar's husband faces more legal trouble for fighting back. Counting on alum Amy Duggar King has been making headlines following the recent lawsuit of her husband, Dylan. She already mentioned the closure of their restaurant several weeks ago, but she never acknowledged her husband's inability to pay rent for their restaurant, which ultimately led to massive punishments. Dylan reportedly fought back against the unfair judgment he faced, but it seems he only made things worse. Keep reading to see his new punishment. Counting on. Dylan King tried to fight back. Dylan recently caught the attention of many after documents surfaced showing his response to his $236,000 punishment. The Counting On alum was asked to pay such an amount for missing his second payment to settle his unpaid rent. He explained, "It is admitted that the agreement was signed and the first payment was made. However, the remaining allegations are denied and payment has been offered, asking the court to reconsider its ruling." Dylan signed a settlement agreement requiring him to pay 2 settlements for his unpaid rent. He couldn't pay the second part of the settlement, which resulted in the plaintiff seeking certain damages, interest, and fees. Dylan King faces new legal trouble for fighting back. Dylan King's attempt to fight back amid his $236,000 punishment immediately backfired. According to reports, Dylan's is now being asked to pay $156,000 for his unpaid rent after questioning his $236,000 fee. He said certain payments were not made to the plaintiff, but failure for such payments to be tendered was after good faith attempts were made to pay and to communicate with the plaintiff. It seems Dylan is now having issues talking it out with the plaintiffs, and not being able to fulfill the payments in time is only making things worse for him. Counting on. Amy Duggar King shares new photo with husband. Amy Duggar King recently took to social media to share a new picture with her husband. The Counting On alums can be seen playing Uno with their son. Dylan showed a big smile to the cameras, seemingly showing no signs of stress amid his lawsuit. Meanwhile, Amy previously shared that she chopped off her hair and remained silent about their legal troubles. Amy Duggar's husband faces more legal trouble for fighting back. Amy Duggar's husband, Dylan King, has recently found himself entangled in legal turmoil once again, this time after a violent altercation led to further legal scrutiny. The situation unfolded when King, who is best known for his marriage to Duggar, a cousin to the controversial Duggar family of 19 kids and counting fame, reportedly fought back during a confrontation that escalated beyond a simple argument. Legal troubles have long shadowed the Duggar family, with various members caught up in scandals ranging from accusations of misconduct to more serious criminal charges. However, Dylan King's latest run-in with the law may raise eyebrows for its apparent self-defense nature, complicating an already murky situation. According to reports, King was involved in an altercation outside a local bar, where a group of individuals began to antagonize him and his friends. Sources close to the incident claimed that King attempted to de-escalate the situation, but was left with little choice but to physically defend himself when things got out of hand. He was subsequently arrested and charged with assault. While many would argue that King was simply standing his ground, the legal implications are far from clear. Fights that occur in public spaces, particularly those involving physical aggression, are often viewed through a critical lens by the courts, even if they are technically cases of self-defense. Furthermore, with King's association to the Duggar name, his every move is closely watched and scrutinized by the media and the public. The nature of the Duggar family's public image, already tainted by controversies surrounding other family members, undoubtedly adds pressure to the case. Many wonder whether Dylan King's actions will be weighed differently due to his ties to a family that has been in the spotlight for years, for both the right and wrong reasons. The scrutiny surrounding the Duggar clan, which has faced its own legal and ethical scandals, has led some to question whether King can truly get a fair shake in the court of public opinion.